In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan YouTube videos in ClickUp. If you're looking for a way to organize your content creation process and streamline your workflow, ClickUp can be an incredibly powerful tool. So, let's dive in and explore each step of setting up your YouTube video plan using ClickUp. First, you want to head over to your ClickUp dashboard. This is your central hub where you can view all of your projects and tasks. From the dashboard, locate the Overview section. The Overview is like your command center in ClickUp and is a great starting point for creating a new project or task, such as planning your YouTube videos. Once you're in the Overview section, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. It's your gateway to creating new tasks, lists, and more. Clicking this icon is the first step in initiating your YouTube content planning journey. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options. From here, you'll want to select Templates. This is because ClickUp provides pre-made templates that are specifically designed to help organize and plan different types of projects, including video content for YouTube. Using a template not only saves time, but also ensures you have a structured format to follow. Next, you'll need to search for a template related to YouTube content planning. In the search bar, type in YouTube Content Planner. This quick search is crucial because it will display templates that are tailored specifically for planning and organizing your YouTube videos, helping you to manage everything from scripting to publishing. When you find the YouTube Content Planner template that suits your needs, go ahead and click on the Use Template button. This action will import the pre-designed structure into your ClickUp workspace, making it a part of your project dashboard. This template typically includes sections for brainstorming video ideas, setting deadlines, assigning tasks, and more, all laid out in a ready-to-use format. Finally, after selecting to use the template, you may be prompted one more time to confirm. Click the Use Template option again if needed to fully integrate it into your workspace. And there you go. Your YouTube video planning template is now live in ClickUp, ready for you to customize and start filling with all your creative video ideas. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a dedicated space within ClickUp to plan, organize, and manage your YouTube videos. This well-organized system will help you stay on top of content creation, ensuring your workflow is efficient and effective. Now you're all set to start planning and executing your YouTube content strategy with ease. Happy planning!